Okay, it is Sunday, December 28th, 2014, about 7:30 in the morning. Actually, right before 7:30 in the morning. It's like 7:20. And sweet, I believe it just turned on. This is going to be the first video of the new Carrier heat pump. And Kona managed to get her leash all tangled up. It's a little bit rainy. It was definitely raining recently, but it doesn't seem to be raining now. As you can see, it is a lot smaller than the unit it replaced. And this is the base model, 13 SEER, 8.5 HSPF. Kona, stay out of there. Kona. 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 Come here. And it just shut off. All right. All right, where did I put my cell phone? Flashlight. And it has a Gentech fan motor. There's the reversing valve. One of the key differences between this unit and the Trane it replaced is the reversing valve, and all the guts were hidden behind the back panel, and you couldn't see it just by looking down into the unit. That's the way all Tranes are. But yeah, there's the reversing valve. It's all it's single stage, not variable speed. The previous air handler was variable, or I forget whether it was two-stage or variable speed. Kona, what the hell are you doing? Oh,